welcome back to Sojanya's English class. And in today's class, we are going to learn about yet another kind of formal letter, that is letter of complaint. It is a very popular type of formal letter after job application. Let us learn more about this letter of complaint. This is our topic of the day, letter of complaint. A letter of complaint is written to express grievance about a defective product or to vent out your frustration about any service or any wrongdoing, etc. It can be written at personal level or on behalf of a group or organization seeking solution to the problem or seeking justice. It can be in any way. It can be written at personal level, like only your personal difficulty, grievance, problem, or on behalf of a group. The motto of a complaint letter is to make our voice heard regarding any problem and seeking a probable solution to it. So first and primary thing to seek justice is to raise your voice, and how to make your voice heard in the form of a complaint letter. That is what complaint letter does. However frustrated you are, you shouldn't use harsh language. So here comes the difficulty. Whichever sort of vocab you want to use, you can't use in the complaint letter. Your voice should be extremely polite. Then only it will be taken into consideration. You have to address the person or organization in the most possible polite manner. Okay? You should not use any sort of harsh language or harsh vocab, rude vocab sort of thing. You have to take a good care of this while writing a complaint letter. Of course, you are venting out your frustration, but it doesn't mean that you use bad language. You have to choose polite language, okay, to express your problem. Let us look at the format of letter of complaint. First one is sender's address. That is your address, whoever you are as per the given question. You will write that address and leave one line. And then comes date, long date you will write like 18th June 2020. No dashes and no slashes in date. And then receiver's address, to whom you are addressing your complaint letter to. And then leave one line after receiver's address. Then comes salutation, dear sir or dear ma'am. And then leave one more line. And then comes the subject. Subject is your motto behind writing this letter of complaint. Okay, you are going to write it in a single line. Then leave one more line and main body, like any other formal letter, divided into three parts. First one is introduction, second one is development, third one is conclusion. Okay, maintain spaces in between. That's why I have given one line over here. Leave one line after the intro, leave one line after the development, and leave one line after the conclusion before writing thank you note. Then comes thanking you. Then comes complimentary close, that is yours sincerely. And then sender's name, whatever is your name as per the given question. Okay, so format is clear so far, I hope. And let us look at some introductory phrases that can be used in letter of complaint. I am writing to tell you how disappointed I am. I am writing to draw your attention to. I want to protest about. I was deeply dissatisfied with. I am writing to express my dissatisfaction about. And then come phrases that can be used in the part of development of the letter. Let us see what they are. I was shocked at the rude service of, in spite of the fact that, to make matters worse, although I was told there would be, I used it only once. The label says something and the product has turned out something. I received wrong products. The brochure mentioned about the discount, but there is nothing in reality. There is a 1-year warranty, but. So these phrases you can use in the development part of letter of complaint. Then comes conclusion phrases, phrases that can be used in a conclusion paragraph of letter of complaint. I feel you are responsible for. I insist on immediate action. I hope you will deal with this matter quickly. I trust we can sort this matter on good terms. I will be forced to take this matter further if you don't respond immediately. I insist you replace this product at once. I demand a full refund of the product or service. These are some of the phrases that can be used in the concluding paragraph of a letter of complaint. Let us see one sample letter. You ordered for 10 books of How to Become Rich by Felix Dennis, but you received only 5 books. So that is the problem. You have already paid online for the books to the publishers. Write a letter to the manager, the Himalaya Publishers, Haryana, about the situation and what you want them to do. You are Deepthi or Deepesh, Sector 44, Mahatma Nagar, Kurukshetra. The information that you can derive from this question is you ordered for 10 books, but you have received only 5 books. You have already paid. Okay. This is the problem, nature of the problem. Now we are going to write a letter to the manager. This is receiver's address. The Himalaya Publishers, Haryana. Okay. And you have sender's address also given here. You are Deepthi or Deepesh, Sector 44, Mahatma Nagar, Kurukshetra. So sender's address is given, receiver's address is given, and problem is given in a very detailed fashion. You are going to use the introductory phrases, appropriate development phrases, and appropriate concluding phrases to make this letter of complaint proper. Okay, let us see how to do that. I ordered for 10 books of How to Become Rich by Felix Dennis on 25th May 2020. Order number is 100050. I was deeply dissatisfied by receiving only 5 books instead of 10. I read so many positive reviews about your company before placing my order. I am writing this letter to tell you how disappointed I am with your order delivery. So this forms the intro basically. Let us develop this. In fact, I needed those books by 18th June 2020. I have kept a buffering period of at least 1 week. To make the matters worse, I don't have any time left with me to give you to rectify your mistake. That is one more problem. Conclusion. So, I insist on you to charge money for the 5 books delivered and refund the remaining amount within 2 days to my account. I hope you won't compel me to take further action towards this. See, you can't warn them deliberately. That is why you are writing it in the most polite way possible. I hope you won't compel me to take further action towards this. Then comes thanking note. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, Deepthi. Okay. So this is how to write a simple complaint letter. Let us observe some of the things mentioned here. Ordered for 10 books. Okay. And this is the order number. Deeply dissatisfied by receiving only 5 books instead of 10. I read so many. See, this is how you are going to write positively about the company. Why have you chosen that particular company? Because you have read so many positive reviews about their company before placing your order. So you are writing this letter to tell you how disappointed you are with their order delivery. So all these are basic information anyone can derive from the given question. Of course, anybody will be dissatisfied by receiving only 5 books instead of 10. And development paragraph, if you see, I needed those books by 18th June. So you are giving out one situation over here. So by this situation, you can't give them any time for them to rectify their mistakes. So you are helpless in that particular matter. So to make the matters worse, this sort of connectors we have used over here. These sort of phrases act as connectors. I don't have any time left with me to give you to rectify your mistake. That is your helplessness over here. So what do you want them to do? Insist on you to charge money for the 5 books delivered and refund the remaining amount within 2 days to your account. And this particular line, this particular sentence, I hope you won't compel me to take further action towards this. This is like informing them in the most possible polite way to rectify their mistake and refund your money immediately within 2 days time limit. Okay, so this is how to write a simple complaint letter. Hope you have understood this part. So that is about the sample letter. Let us see your exercise now. Write a letter to MT Electronics, Patel Marg, Sultanpura, complaining that the TV you bought recently from them doesn't function properly and ask for a replacement. You are Purni or Purab Gupta, road number 2, Gupta's Residency, Sultanpura. So this is your exercise question. Let us look at the information that is given here. You are going to write a letter to MT Electronics, Patel Marg, Sultanpura. This is your receiver's address. What is your problem? Why are you writing this complaint letter? Complaining about the TV you recently bought from them does not function. Okay, that is your problem. And ask for a replacement. Even this also you are going to ask them. So what is your address? Sender's address, Purni or Purab Gupta, road number 2, Gupta's Residency, Sultanpura. So this is the information that you can get from the given question. So friends, that is about letter of complaint. Hope you all have understood the format and writing style of it, and you are going to use the phrases that are given by me, because it is very easy if you memorize some of those phrases and use them in your letters. Meet you soon with another interesting video. Bye for now, guys.